A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball, bounce to the beat. C for cat who loves to play. D for dog who runs all day. Sing along from A to Z, learning letters, come with me. Fun and easy, let's all say ABC, hooray, hooray. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish who swims along. G for giraffe, so very tall. H for hat we wear in fall. I for ice cream, cold and yummy. J for jelly in my tummy. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, roaring by. Sing along from A to Z, learning letters, come with me. Fun and easy, let's all say ABC, hooray, hooray. M for monkey, climbing trees. N for nest where birds feel free. O for orange, juicy and bright. P for parrot, colorful sight. Q for queen with a golden crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining so high. T for train, chugging by. U for umbrella, in the rain. V for violin, play again. W for whale, big and blue. X for xylophone, play a tune. Y for yo-yo, up and down. Z for zebra stripes all around. Now we sang our ABC. Wasn't that so fun and easy? Sing along from A to Z, learning letters, come with me. Fun and easy, let's all say ABC, hooray, hooray.